Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here.
Embroiled in a furious dogfight, my target flies directly in front of me. Identification is not easy as he goes through the sun, but as I close the range, I let him have it. There's only one slight problem. Okay, for all the noobs that can't figure this out, Identification 101, what is wrong with this picture? Shooting friendlies means that you lose all your friends, your dog will run away from home, and your girlfriend will leave you. But in reality, you would face a court-martial and probably end up being shot. Or even worse than that, you could spend the rest of the war flying a supply tent and enjoying winter outdoor activities. On most multiplayer servers, friendly fire is not tolerated and could lead to being banned. Friendly fire incidents come in 5 flavors. The first we've looked at is mistaken identity. But mistaken identity is not always the cause of a friendly fire incident, and that's what we're going to look at today. Second is friendly flak, or AAA. You're also in danger of being hit by your own flak as you protect your own targets. As in this instance here, where you can see the flak bursting amongst friend and foe alike. It may be a small consolation, but if you're shot down by your own flak, at least you're over friendly lines. The third incident is a midair collision.
Come on, come on. Oh, who hit me?
Unfortunately, shit happens, and in the midst of a fight, you have to keep your situational awareness at a high. Number 4 is bomb blasts. Watch how the P-47 behind me gets too close to my bomb blast and ends up losing his elevator control rods. Although I am indirectly responsible for killing this pilot, it's one of the things you have to consider when you're doing ground attacks. Most of the time we use a 5-second delay for the bombs, so they take 5 seconds to detonate once they've hit the ground. So you as the pilot flying behind should make sure that you're at least 5 seconds behind that. In this example I time it wrong and get too close. I sustain some damage and my flight lead gets a penalty. And once again the error is not his, it is mine. Now the final aspect of friendly fire incidents is number 5, ricochets. Probably something you've never contemplated. In attacking this tank column, watch how the machine gun bullets bounce off in all kinds of directions. They ricochet off the targets. And at this low level I've been hit more than once by my own bullets. And even a 37mm anti-tank armor-piercing shell will bounce off the hull if it hits at the wrong angle. Can you see it bouncing off at 60 degrees to the left? And as soon as we lose control of that projectile, it becomes a threat to friendly aircraft. So here we are on a standard routine ground attack run. You can see the fighter up to the left drawing the flak away from me so I can dive down and destroy it. I communicate to my fighter that I see 2 anti-aircraft positions in the field, and he decides to come down and take out the second one. You can see the smoke trails from my own ricochets. I plan to destroy the target and then egress straight out at low level to avoid the other anti-aircraft in the area. Watch now as the fighter attacks the other target. Pay particular attention to his ricochets and where they're going. You can clearly see his rounds flying above me, but as he shallows his angle in the attack, they come towards me. I'm able to maintain some control until the point where the flak, which is off to my left, actually connects with me. And then that's pretty much game over. I had no idea this was a friendly fire incident. I thought I'd just been hit by flak. But there's another cool thing about flying on the TAWA server, the Tactical Air War, and that is the way the damage model is recorded. The website actually records every single round and impact and the amount of damage it's done to a particular target. But it also records when there's a friendly fire incident. It's a very useful tool in analyzing how well you did on a particular target, or series of targets. When a target has 100% damage, it's noted as destroyed. I machine gunned the hell out of several trucks but failed to destroy them. Now take a look at the first 3 entries of this one. I was killed by friendly fire when CDAT's bomb went off right underneath me. But what goes around, comes around. Look at the last 2 entries. So what do we learn from all this? Well, we've learned that there are several ways to kill friendlies. The game is difficult enough as it is without adding this added risk to your friendly forces. And even after making it all the way home after a successful mission, there are still dangers. So let's not add friendly fire into the mix. Well guys, once again, thanks for watching. See you next time.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you guys.